Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In the wake of the downpour and flooding in sections of Kingston and Saint Andrew, the municipal corporation, KSAMC, says things could have been worse. As soon as the rains associated with tropical storm Elsa stopped, representatives of the KSAMC went on a tour of select areas.
We have been in the general Bull Bay area. We are satisfied. There is an area there along Beach Road that is of concern to us. And we also, the New Haven area is another area that is always of concern to the municipality. That area is a major issue for us.
KSAMC Chairman Delroy Williams says most of the homes along Riverside Drive in New Haven are at the same level or below the level of the river. That makes the area flood easily. However, he believes had it not been for proactive work by the municipal corporation, New Haven and other areas would have fared worse.
Prior to the Elsa affecting the island, we did clean a number of drains that the City Engineers Department deemed as critical drains, critical coastal drains. So we did some in Bull Bay, the Cooper drain, we did the Ocean Lake. We are continuing work on the Cooper drain, and that will continue tomorrow morning. We are right here in Arbor View and adjacent Arbor Drive, and as you can see, we did some work here yesterday.
Since the rains started Saturday night, he says just over a dozen persons reported to shelters in the parish, mainly in East Rural St. Andrew. Mayor Williams says this indicates that not many persons were impacted negatively by the rains.